What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard, and in today's video I'm gonna give you a quick walkthrough on this amazing device that I have here in front of me, the Meta Quest 3. I am blown by this absolutely fantastic thing you can do. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start a new recording here. But before we start, I just want to let you know that this holiday season, when you purchase a Meta Quest headset, you'll get $60 Quest Cash to use on accessories, apps, and games. Plus, you'll enjoy a 20% discount on Meta Quest game titles. Don't miss out. These offers are available only from November 29th to December 31st. So make sure you jump on those great deals right now before it ends. Don't got the funds right now? No need to worry, because MetaQuest headsets are available with a play now, pay later options starting at just $19.99 a month. That's $20 a month. With easy financing, you can start enjoying the latest VR technology now and spread out the payments. Plus, you'll still get the $60 Quest Cash to spend right away. So make sure you jump on these great offers from Meta. And we are live and recording, as you can see, which is absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead and bring this up here. Get that out of the way. Now, down here you have your settings for like brightness and stuff. You can dim the pass through if you want to dim it. You can see that. You can turn off the pass through. And then you can create a new boundary. If you create a new boundary, you get like the whole AR experience. I'll show you in a little bit. But so far, microphone reset view. There we go. Let's reset. That is the middle. That's what you do when you want to center everything out. Do not disturb, travel mode, all kinds of cool features here. Your Bluetooth, you can pair Bluetooth headphones if you don't want anybody hearing. You got your settings right here, and pretty much your normal system settings here, just like almost looks like an Android device here. You got your sound, camera, time, keyboard, link. What is this link thing? Access PC VR apps like AirLink and Link Cable. This is one thing I want to try. I want to try linking the headset to my Mac so I can use it as a monitor. It would be absolutely fantastic. Your software updates right here. It updated when I first unboxed it, but we're good to go. But let's look at this over here. Let's go to the store. And where is the browser? Let's go to the browser right here. As you can see, I got a video of myself. I am in the YouTube app. Now, you don't have to control it with the controllers here. You can set them on the table and you can use your hands. And if it's absolutely fantastic. And if I want to go to the setting, I can just hold, go to the setting. It'll bring up a settings, my home settings, boom, which is cool. And you can go ahead and click on my latest video right here. Boom.
Google is killing me soft.
And then let's go full mode.
Breaking my finger.
And let's go even more. And let's go immerse.
Even go nowhere like that. They're not killing me softly. They're breaking
my
heart slowly.
Oh, here we go. We go right here, and then we click on this one right here.
Every single day, every new update.
And look at this bad boy. Now, if I wanted to make this bigger, I can grab it, stretch it out, and make this absolutely bigger, small, whichever way I want to go ahead and do this. Look at that. I can grab it.
Working perfectly fine for me. By what I mean working perfectly, everything else had the tablet version, but the Gmail app had the phone version. But
I'd grab the controller. It's a little easier.
Everything has the phone.
Let's go back to normal.
Layout,
let's go pause this. Now, just imagine Netflix and all that. You can do this with Netflix and everything, which is absolutely fantastic. This is just a regular browser, so you can go on here and go to Netflix if you like. This is just my regular content that I watch. I can bring that up more, bring that closer to me if I like. But it's absolutely fantastic. If we go back, do we have home here?
Original Pixel Fold. I went ahead.
Let me see. Let's create a new app right here. So this is the normal page you'll arrive, and you do got games here. You got Netflix. Netflix is going to be absolutely fantastic on here because you can do theater mode. So you can get Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, YouTube, Google, X. Let's go to X. I think I'm going to have to log in because I haven't logged in anything of this, and hopefully I don't have to put in my. There we go. I don't have to do anything. Bam! Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely looks fantastic. Now, I am tripping out a little bit. I think I have to get this a little bit more clear so I can see. There we go. I'm getting old and I'm going blind. So, scroll down. Boom, look at that. Tech is Live by BG Tech Live. Let's give him a heart. Boom, look at that. Let's retweet this. Boom, retweeting live. Bam. And if I want to go ahead, these are messages. I don't know what this is. Boom, go down. If I want to tweet, check this out. You have the keyboard right here, and you kind of like have to press down on it. So let's go ahead and put purse. Post. Space. From. Bubbles. You gotta get used to it. From space. Quest 3. Space. Number 3. Send. And then you can go here. Did I think I messed up. Let's go. Whoa, that's enter. There we go. Fix that. Boom. I don't think it's reading my fingers on there pretty well. But let's see if I sent that post that actually my tweet, and I put right here first post from Quest 3. Let's go ahead and like it. Boom. But this is just a relatively simple overview of what you can do with the Quest 3. I am downloading Batman. I think this is a free download that they give you. You have to redeem it with the purchase of the device. You do get the game itself. I don't know if you're gonna get the if you'll get the if you need controllers or anything like that, but overall this thing looks good. You have games, plenty of the App Store has plenty of games you can get from Roblox, Gorilla Tag, all kinds of cool stuff, all kinds of good apps. You have plenty of apps as well. You can download natively the YouTube app. Virtual Desktop is $25, but I think this is what allows you to connect for you to connect your PC or your desktop to this and just use the VR as a monitor, which is absolutely fantastic. Best of Quest 3. This is what they recommend here. Very nice. And you can go into world. So let me show you. Let me get out of this view right here and let's go into full immersive mode here and create a new boundary. So basically I just gotta look down. It's gonna create a new boundary. And voila, look at this. If I turn around, I'm in a different world. And I think you can change. What is this right here? What is this? Ooh, look at that. Boom. Hey, look at it. It's me. It's my mirror. And this is what I look like. Ooh. Uh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What dance is this? What dance is this, guys? What dance is guys? What dance is this? Boom. Uh, uh. Boom. This is absolutely fantastic. I don't want to change my outfit. I'm good. Boom. Let's get out of here. What is this little rocket thing? Whoa! Where are we going? What did we do? What did we do? I don't know what we did. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know what this is. I guess you gotta scan your stuff. I want to get out of here. So in order to get out of here, you can just double tap right here and you're out of immersive mode, or you can go to immersive mode. But I don't want to scan this because this is a game. So I want to cancel and get out of here. So in order to cancel, you look at your hand, you can twitch, you can click this meta button, and we're out of this game. Let's go ahead and get out of there. Cancel that bad boy. I am still recording. But anyways, you can find people here. This is where you connect with some of your friends. I don't have any meta friends yet. Hopefully I'll have some soon. Browser, first encounter, as you can see. But I don't want to settings, and then this is my library. This is what I'm gonna have. So I install that. When reality, I got this for my son. So this is what it's gonna do is it's like a baseball training hit reality series, and as you can see, Batman's still downloading right there. But there you have it, guys. This is just a quick overview of what it's like to experience the meta verse here. I call it metaverse. I don't know. This Quest 3 is absolutely fantastic. Let me go ahead and stop recording. But it's absolutely amazing what this thing can do. I am absolutely blown from the first one. My kids had the first one. This is the third one. I didn't really use the first one because it kind of made me sick. This one right here does not make me sick at all. I don't know why. Everything looks nice and functional. I can't wait to play some games, to show you guys some games. I want to do that baseball that win reality, because this thing serves as entertainment, because you can watch movies. You can do anything you want. Let me take this off real quick. You can watch movies. It takes a little while for my eyes to adjust, but the Quest 3 has multi-purpose functions. It's entertainment purpose. You can sit there and watch and chill and watch a movie on Netflix, or watch YouTube videos, but you can watch it in a humongous screen, like if you're in a movie theater. You can play games, immersive games, just like feel the games. It's gaming entertainment system as well. You can be productive with it. You can connect your computer and use it as multiple screens. You can use it to socialize, and you can use it for fitness. You can use it as a exercise machine, and you can use it as a training machine, as I'm going to intend to use with my son. I probably will do a video on that, is how they do the whole training, how they teach how to bat, recognize his pitches in baseball, and all that good stuff. But let me know down in the comment section below if you guys have any questions regarding the Quest 3. I'll try to answer them in my ability, but make sure you like and subscribe and tune in, because there's absolutely going to be a lot of content coming from the Meta Quest 3. Absolutely amazing. If you want to go ahead and pick one of these up, link will be in the description of the video. Now is the perfect time to get one. It's the holiday seasons. You'll probably find good deals on this bad boy right here. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!